हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू अ नाइट स्टडी सेशन। तो मैं कॉलेज से वापस आने के बाद थोड़ा बहुत रेस्ट लेने के बाद आई फाइनली स्टार्टेड विद माय सेशन एट 10:30 p.m. आफ्टर हैविंग माय डिनर।
So it's 10:30 now and I'm done with my dinner and I'm finally ready to start my sessions. It's already been very late today. I think I have to go all out today and study till the morning because today is supposedly the last day that I'm sitting to study like this. Because I have a lot of pending work actually. A lot of editing का काम बाकी है. Along with that recordings are also pending. Along with that I also have to kind of arrange all my files and documents because I'm in my third year now and there are so many documents here and there scattered and I don't think my phone behaves responsibly. Sometimes some documents get deleted all of a sudden, so I have to kind of store them and keep them safe in some folder, so I have to do that. It's a long process and along with that I also have some other college related works. तो काफ़ी काम जो कि है पेंडिंग हो चुका है, स्पेशली माई एडिटिंग का वर्क विच इज़ अ बिग बर्डन फॉर मी nowadays. So it will take a lot of days to do that. So today I want to do hematology I want to finish the modules of hematology from the medicine lectures because lately I have been studying hematology and in my college also hematology seminars are coming up. So it will be a good correlation if I can finish up all the modules and all the entire chapter in toto. And let's see how much time it takes because hematology में काफ़ी सारे modules हैं. And if you're thinking that whether I am able to remember at all whatever I am watching, then let me tell you that देखो भाई, सब कुछ तो एक ही बार में याद तो कोई भी नहीं रख सकता है. ठीक है, मैं अगर पहली बार में लेक्चर देख रही हूँ तो मुझे याद तो रहेगा भी नहीं. In same thing with my pathology also. If I watch a pathology lecture or if I read something from pathology, I will not remember it in the first go. तो मैं हाईलाइट करके रखती हूँ, मैं अंडरलाइन करके रखती हूँ, मैं स्क्रीनशॉट्स लेके रखती हूँ, मैं नोट्स बना के रखती हूँ ताकि बाद में मैं उसको रिवाइज कर पाऊँ. तो सिमिलरली हियर ऑल्सो आई कीप हाईलाइटिंग द इम्पॉर्टेंट एरियाज, द पोर्शंस विच आई फील आर concept oriented, deeply concept oriented, and I feel I am weak in those portions, so I keep them highlighted so that later on when I will study completely this, if I am targeting something like this in my future, then I will probably kind of be at ease with the syllabus because I am already going through it and brushing it through. So we'll keep this chit chat going and let's see how much I can study today.
तो यहाँ पर मैं हेमाटोलॉजी के मॉड्यूल्स को फिनिश करने की कोशिश कर रही थी एंड द मेन पार्ट इज़ दैट टुडे आई हैव टू काइंड ऑफ मे बी स्टडिंग टिल द मॉर्निंग. और आज फ्राइडे है तो इसीलिए कल मेरा सैटरडे है तो हाफ डे है. ऑलमोस्ट 3:30 के आसपास तो कॉलेज ख़त्म हो जाएगा. उसके बाद मैं घर वापस आके मैं आराम से रेस्ट ले सकती हूँ. इसीलिए आई एम नॉट टेकिंग एनी प्रेशर ऑन माई सेल्फ दैट टुमारो आई कैन गो ऑल आउट एंड स्टडी टिल द मॉर्निंग. Also, I took a lot of rest after coming from college and that's why I got late to start my session. So I kind of have the energy to study till the morning as well. And tomorrow is my mom's birthday, so I'll be gifting her that kurti and let's see if I can get something extra for her today on the way. And I will also be buying a cake while returning, and today after cutting cake and all I'll actually go to sleep. So let me see how much I can complete because hematology is very difficult as well क्योंकि पैथोलॉजी के साथ में अगर मैं को रिलेट करूँ तो क्लिनिकल एस्पेक्ट एंड पैथोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट completes it whole as a chapter and all of it is so very interesting and important from a lot of perspective because this blood cancer, and if I in the future take up clinical hematology then this is the only thing that I'll be dealing with in the future. So let's see what happens. Life is so very unpredictable. I never knew that I will be in this position one day, and now life for me has literally become very अनसर्टेन बेसिकली. सो एनीवे मुझे पढ़ाई करते वक्त भूख लग रही थी इसीलिए आई टुक दिस नमकीन निमकी जिसको हम बोलते हैं. तो आई रियली लाइक दिस, इट इज़ वेरी टेस्टी. वैसे तो मैं बिंज ईटिंग बिल्कुल नहीं करती लेकिन व्हाट हैपन्स इज़ व्हेन आई टेक लॉन्ग स्टडी सेशंस बिकॉज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 10:30 के आसपास गोइंग अप टू द मॉर्निंग ऑलमोस्ट 6.5 to 7 hours. तो इसीलिए ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम आई नीड टू हैव समथिंग आई नीड टू डू बिंज ईटिंग. इसीलिए मैं ज़्यादा लंबा सेशंस मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. बट लेक्चर सुनने में देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम इन हैविंग लॉन्ग लेक्चर्स. This is something which I actually follow, and I believe that when you're doing passive study, you can actually go up to any extent. You can read extensively, you can have long study sessions, but when it comes to active, you should take sufficient breaks basically. So as you can see, it's 5:05, and this is the time that I have to stop now because I will hardly get 2 to 3 hours of sleep. So you can see that I have almost completed so many lectures basically, but I haven't yet finished the entire of the hematology का module. तो थोड़ा बहुत तो remaining है, लेकिन I'll be doing that later, but almost I'm done with so many of them. So I'm quite happy with my progress today.
So as you can see that it's almost 5:15 now and I'm down with so much of sleep. I don't think I'll be able to pull it off today because hematology is a huge chapter and there are lots of things which are left, and I don't think I'm able to grasp more than this. So I think I'm going to take a leave today. I just can't pull it off. I'll go to sleep now. The only thing I would like to say is that do not make, unrealistic targets. Make targets which you can achieve, but then do not make targets which are too less for you. Like if I target 2 videos or 2 modules, I can easily finish it. So I'll target something which I can do, but then always on the higher side, so that even if I'm not able to fulfill it, I always have opportunities, right? So the remaining videos, like I will be watching maybe today after coming home from college, or maybe in the library or whatever, but I'm going to finish this off today or tomorrow, like that.
तो टुडे इज़ द नेक्स्ट डे एंड इट इज़ अ सैटरडे, तो इसीलिए मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये व्लॉग जो है पूरा ड्यूटी से ख़त्म होने के बाद मैं एंड करूँगी, बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड द व्लॉग एट नाइट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इट अप टू द नेक्स्ट डे विच इज़ टुडे द सैटरडे, एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू फिनिश इट अप टुडे इन द इवनिंग. तो यही है मेरी जर्नी, जो कि मैं आई कॉलेज वापस बेसिकली, एंड यहाँ पर फिर से मेरी क्रॉसिंग है. Usually, the juniors do the first part, and then, the bigger specimens or the important cancer वाला specimens तो हम लोग crossing करते हैं. Today my eyes were literally burning all the more because I didn't have proper sleep at night, and also coming to the college directly, going into the crossing again in the morning, तो मेरी आँखों से constant it was watering. क्या ही कर सकते हैं. When you get less sleep, then your eyes tend to water more, and that too on top of formalin, so there is no other way. After that, we did the hematology reporting, and in which the reports were displayed on the screen, and me and my co-PGT were actually doing the reports. And after that, basically I also did some screening, and I did also see some slides, because that is a habit which you should not let go. Anytime you get any free time, or you're not wanting to do something, you can just keep watching some slides. तो स्लाइड्स डिस्कशन ही हम कर रहे थे, एंड आई वाज आल्सो काइंड ऑफ लाइक वी ऑल हैव टू मेंटेन अ डायरी, जिसमें हम लोग स्लाइड के नंबर और क्या हम लोगों को लगता है डायग्नोसिस, व्हाट वी थिंक इज़ द डायग्नोसिस दैट वी राइट डाउन, एंड देन लेटर ऑन वंस द रिपोर्टिंग इज डन बाय द फैकल्टी, वी हैव टू एक्चुअली मैच एंड सी वेदर वी आर करेक्ट और नॉट. तो इस तरह से हम लोग डिस्कशन कर रहे थे, और वी वर एक्चुअली ट्राइंग टू लर्न एंड ऑल्सो जॉट डाउन इन आवर डायरी. I was actually feeling tired, and when you are not in a proper frame, तो माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर में देखना भी बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल हो जाता है. But today is a short day, that's why I could take the courage to actually continue my session into the morning, and that's it. I think this was the end of the day, after which when I came out, I was literally frightened because there was a long procession today outside my college. The roads were literally blocked. It wasn't any way open. All the roads were blocked, left and right, both ways were blocked, and since I only use a public transport, I was not able to figure out which way I'll go. So anyhow, I came by the third option, which was open by the Ultodanga wala route, and on the way I brought this nice glass for my mom, in which there was a glass straw as well. So I thought it was useful, and I can gift her for her birthday as well, along with the kurti. On the road, I brought this corn, along with that some fruits and some snacks, because I know I will be requiring these snacks. Once I reach home, I always want and I crave for some snacks along with some tea, and sometimes at night also I need all these different kinds of snacks. तो घर वापस आने के बाद I treated myself with snacks and all, after which We cut my mom's birthday cake, which I got while returning home only from near our home. There was a Miyamor का store जहाँ से मैंने ये खरीदा है. So that's it for today. After which I just had some snacks and I literally went off to sleep. After which I woke up at night and then I had my dinner. So I'm going to end my vlog over here. If you like watching my videos, then please consider subscribing and support me. Thank you for watching. Bye.